Welcome, this is POCO X6 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click here to the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi switcher, you will see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and here enter the password. Then just tap to connect and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should tap to this icon, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings from here, just hold it for a while. You could use all of the networks from here, or just by tap to more settings, you could launch full Wi-Fi settings. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.